Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna if you're new, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get ready to film a YouTube video, my makeup routine, how I do my hair, what I wear, and how I go from looking like this to this. Okay, so this is what I normally look like on the daily, just kind of wearing a t-shirt, shorts, and doing whatever with my hair. So the first thing I do is I pick out what shirt I'm going to wear, and whenever I film, I'm usually doing sit-down videos, so I only change my shirt, and I usually just keep on a pair of shorts or whatever on the bottom half. So I'm going to go in my closet and find a shirt to wear. I haven't worn this shirt at all, so I think I'm going to go with this one for today's video. Okay, so here's what the shirt looks like. It's a peplum shirt. It's kind of really puffy, but most of the shirt isn't going to show in the video anyway, so it's fine. And I usually just have shorts on and whatever because you only see the top half. So before I do my makeup, I like to just have my filming set up all nice and ready to go. So I have my light, camera on the tripod, and my backdrop set up, just so that I don't have to worry about that after I'm finished getting ready. And then over here is where I do my makeup. Okay, so when it comes to doing my makeup, I keep it pretty simple, and honestly I only wear makeup for filming. So in here I always have a towel that I put down just because makeup and powder and stuff will get everywhere, so I always use this. And then this mirror I got recently from Marshall's. It's from Impressions Vanity, which is a pretty decently expensive company, but it was pretty cheap at Marshall's. So this is the mirror that I do my makeup in. It's touch. It has 3 different temperatures, so like a warm, yellow, a white, and then I usually do this mixed one, and I can adjust how bright I want it. It does get dusty. Need to clean it actually. Okay, so. And I usually do my makeup like this and use my iPad or phone to watch like YouTube or something, but since I'm using that to film, that's what the iPad will be doing. So this is my setup for my makeup. Now I'm going to do my makeup. Okay, so now it's time to do my makeup. I honestly only wear makeup if I'm going to film. On the daily, I usually just look like this, natural face, and I always take my makeup off right after I finish filming or taking photos. Okay, so my skin is already moisturized. I washed it and did all that stuff. So the first step is foundation. Usually I will either use this one from Makeup Revolution, or actually just from Revolution, or I just use these e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealers as concealer and foundation. So that's what I'm going to do today. So the colors I use are Deep Olive, mostly for the foundation part, and then for concealer I'm using Medium Beige and these 2 e.l.f. ones. As you guys can see, my face is struggling just a little bit, so we're gonna put a little bit extra right there. And I'm using this makeup sponge. This is the giant one from Target from the brand Sonia Kashuk, just to blend that out. Okay, so I'm going to add a few more layers because that definitely did not cover as much as I would like, especially right here. Next, I'm going in with that concealer. I'm gonna take this smaller sponge just to get more in the corners. Next, I'm gonna take some banana baking powder, also from Revolution, just to kind of bake under my eyes and on my chin and right there too, so most of my face. Okay, so I'm going to leave that on for a little bit. While I'm doing that, I'm going to kind of bronze up my face. And the bronzer I use is from Morphe. This is in the color This is Bronzer, so bronzer and contour in the color Showmance. I love this stuff. This is what it looks like. So there's like a bronzy side that's shimmery, and then also the contour side. I mostly just use the bronze side for everything. On a brush like this. I'm not the best with makeup, so this is just a simple thing that I do. So I just take a little bit, tap it off, and then gently kind of just bronze up my cheeks. Okay, so I'm going to take a large fluffy brush and just wipe off all of this. Okay, so next for eyeshadow, most of the time I only just use that same bronzer as eyeshadow. So I take a brush that looks like this, just like a fluffy brush, and use that same palette from Morphe and kind of just use that as my eyeshadow. So that's pretty much all I do for eyes. I usually just keep it pretty simple. Sometimes I'll put on eyeshadow, but usually that's all I do is just bronzer. Next is a little bit of blush. This is from Wet n Wild in the color Mellow Wine. So I'm taking this blush brush from Real Techniques and just getting a little bit of blush and dabbing that on. Okay, so next are eyebrows. I don't do much with those either. That's the theme of this makeup routine. It's kind of just simple. So sometimes both of these eyebrow products are from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. brow gel and then just the e.l.f. pencil. Sometimes I'll only do the tinted brow gel and just run that through, and sometimes I'll do pencil and then brow gel. I think today I'm going to go in with some pencil first, so I'm just going to spoolie and then kind of just gently fill in with this e.l.f. pencil. Don't know what shade this is in. It's just the brow pencil. It's like $2, so is the brow gel. So nothing too fancy. I think it's in the darkest color, or maybe the second, like a dark brown. Okay, so now I'm just going to take that brow gel, and this is just like a brown tinted brow gel, and just kind of run that through with the little tiny, it's so small. Next is highlighter. I'm using Miss Fenty herself. This is the color Girl Next Door and Chic Freak from the Kilowatt highlighters. This is what they look like. I've had all these makeup products forever. It's kind of just like a pinky shimmery color. So I'm going to take a little brush like this and kind of just mix both of those and then highlight my nose and my cheekbones. I'm also going to take this tiny little brush that looks like this, if it will focus. Focus. Ooh, that's what this brush looks like, and I'm going to take a little bit of that highlighter and put it in my inner corners. I'm also going to put a little bit on the eyebrow bone. Next, that's pretty much it. Sometimes I'll put on mascara, but usually it just depends how I feel. Today I don't feel like wearing mascara, so that's pretty much it for most of the face. After that, I like to go in with just like a powder to kind of just press everything in because my skin is super oily, and also whenever I'm filming there's a lot of bright lights on me, so it does get pretty hot, so I just kind of like to set everything with a powder. This is from LA Girl, their Pro Face HD matte powder in the color Soft Honey. So it comes with a sponge, and I just take a little bit of that and kind of just press everything in. I also always have this next to me while I'm filming in case it's a longer video and it gets oily or shiny and needs to kind of just touch it up. And the final step is the lips. So usually in all my videos, I either have on this gloss bomb from Fenty or I have on this lipstick from ColourPop. This is the Lippy Stick in the color Candy Paint. Favorite color lipstick of all time. It's like a really matte, smooth, creamy lipstick. Or I'll have on just this Fenty Gloss Bomb. I think this is just the original color of the Gloss Bomb, Fenty Glow. So usually a combination of these, and I think today I'm going to go with the Gloss Bomb. I love this stuff. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. When I'm filming, I do not use setting spray because I usually only have it on during filming, and then afterwards I immediately wash my face off. So there's really no point in having setting spray. So it's super simple, quick, easy. Sometimes I might switch it up with maybe mascara or eyeliner or eyeshadow, but this is generally my go-to makeup look. And then next I do something with my hair. Usually it's not much. Right now I have it braided, so let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here's what the hair is looking like. I just washed it yesterday, so it's pretty fresh. Usually, honestly, I just film with it straight down. Maybe I put some behind my ears. Most of the time, I just film like this. So maybe some behind the ears and some like that. And then I sometimes like to put on earrings. I usually always have my nose ring in and then this tragus piercing, but I'm gonna go put some earrings on and be back with my final YouTube filming look. Okay, so this is the final look. I haven't worn these earrings in a while, so usually I'll switch up the earrings, but mostly I just do my makeup and hair. Usually this only takes 10 or 15 minutes. It's super quick and easy, but today it took a little bit longer since I'm filming. So this is what I do to get ready for YouTube videos, and as you guys can see, most of the time you only see me from here up. Usually I'm just wearing shorts, slides, whatever on the bottom half, and just pick a decently nice shirt to wear. This is how I look in most of my videos. There are some videos that I film without makeup, but usually it just puts me in a better mood, makes me feel more prepared if I just get myself ready. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will try to find all of the different makeup products that I use and link them down below. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell so that you do not miss any of my new uploads. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.